What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you guys had a good trading day today. So today we are Thursday, January 8th, and again I took another L. So as of right now, here, let me show you guys the accounts. As you guys know, yesterday I went to check into my Tradeovate account. I only had around 3 to 400 drawdown left. So I took a trade at the what's it called, in Asia, just to get it over with. Either I win and I'm back, or lose and buy new accounts. And then I reflected on what made me actually lose this week. Then I checked, even though I'm supposed to take winning days, I didn't take them, or I got stopped out by a tick, or I risked a little bit more than I'm supposed to risk. So at the end of the day, what's it called? Technically, I took 5 L's in a row, but technically 4, because yesterday I lost the trade, but then the remaining 3 to 400 I traded it. Anyway, so I bought account yesterday night so I can have them ready for today. One account for Tradeify ended up making it. So where is it? This one, the 48,500 is a funded account. The rest is evals, right? So today minus 500, 580. And yeah, so on this account, the leader one, we have around, I'm not sure, $400 to $500 left. The rest 1.5. So yeah, we'll see what will end up happening with this leader account. But yeah. Now I was gonna say, after this recap today, I'll take a little break just to get my mind back into this trading stuff, because I'm not even supposed to lose 2 to 3 days in a row anyway. So I don't know what's happening, but I mean honestly, same thing as today. Here, I'll just show you guys the trade real quick. So we are in a continuation to the downside. We take out London lows, we take out Asia lows. We are pushing down, right? If we go on the hourly, we have these draws right there. Now, in my eyes, 9:45, we didn't really take out those draws, but I was waiting just in case. We ended up respecting this bearish fair value gap. I was like, all right, perfect. We had another fair value gap right there. So everything makes sense. Everything's aligned with context. 9:52, I entered the trade. Placed my stop loss right there. So like 100 ticks for 200. Like always, like I always do. Bang, again. I get stopped out by a tick. Price goes in my direction. So like, what am I supposed to do? I guess I was supposed again to put my stop loss to these equal highs that we just made and just let the trade ride, right? I guess this is what I was supposed to do, but I always been placing my stop loss to this, to like the fair value gaps. For this example, highs wick, right? But I really don't know. I guess, yes, if I placed it here, I would have been saved. Same thing with Friday, same thing with Monday. But it's like, what? So anyway, I'm gonna go check out some stuff. So next video will be when I'm funded, probably. Once all my accounts are funded, this would mean I'd figure something out, right? So yeah, really sucks. Now I got stopped out like this. Now, was there anything else I could have done? Let's check out this. So let's remove this. 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m. 10 a.m. open is right there. So technically, what did we do here? We accumulated and then manipulated down, then bang, distribution, right? So from there, imagine if those were boxes, right? So manipulation, bang, accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. Now, for example, we had this inverse right there at 10:04. The candle, disrespect this bearish fair value gap, so now it's an inverse. 10:05 price taps into the inverse. We enter the trade. Technically, this is the lowest point that 10 a.m. would go, so stop loss right there. TP, let's go check on the 15-minute where I can place it, or just the 1 minute. So we have these internal highs, these highs right there, and then finally these highs right there. These highs already at 2.2 got met perfectly. We chop around a little bit, then we take out those next ones, so that's already a 3RR, and if price keeps on pushing, that could be nearly a 4RR, right? But easily 2RR to 3RR. All right. So yeah, thank you guys for the support. I'm very happy that we broke, we're what's it called? Okay, let me rephrase that. Thank you guys for supporting. I've been, where is it? I think right around there, consistently uploading Monday to Friday every single day, and we've been getting some nice views. We're at a high count of subscribers. I'm happy with that, and I think this is a result of the consistency, right? But anyway, as of right now, I need some time off just to figure some stuff out, because I always been traded. That's how I got my payouts. I'm not supposed to put my stop loss here and here, I guess 2026 new year I have to adapt, but like, I don't know. And I'm still gonna keep backtesting this PO3 because it's really interesting. And yeah, that was the recap for today. Let me know, guys, in the comment if you made it this far, if you guys won, like what strategy are you guys trading and stuff. And yeah, that was it. I'll see you guys in a bit.